YouTube episode number 116, Sanskriti Kolkata, myself Lalia Dattagupta, and you guys did not let me take a break from Kalamkari. So yes, another episode of beautiful hand painted Kalamkari in Tussars and Vidarbhas. So today I'll start with Vidarbha. These are old traditional Tussar sarees from Orissa with hand painting done. Kalamkari hand painting. See the lovely painting in earthy tone. The border is in rich maroon. I have left the pallu as it is, Sambalpuri pallu. 10,950 rupees, 10,950. Till the hips, it will be all over painting. I would love to show you the beautiful painting bird here. Just see the peacock, how lovely the shading. The shade is so beautiful in this little part, in the head part. There's so many lovely shades in hand paint Kalamkari, and then comes the dye part in the pleats. This is the dyeing, and then the bottom lower part will obviously have the paint again. And the blouse, I've not done anything to the blouse because it's a beautiful woven traditional Vidarbha sari blouse piece only. So that's it. And this is the sari. 10,950 rupees hand painted Vidarbha Kalamkari. Product number 1. Now product number 2. Turquoise blue, it's a sea green kind of color. This is beautiful shade. And of course the painting. Just see the painting, especially the shadings. That's what needs to be noticed. The shading, the colors, the nib, the outline. Lovely, isn't it? This is the pallu. This border woven. Number 2, 10,950. Body part all over painting. And the pleats, dye, here is the sari. Blouse piece, sky with the border. Number 2. Now number 3. So today I have only 3 Vidarbhas. Not much is ready now. So whatever I just received from the artist, I'm showing you that. Oh, it's a lovely orange with shades of rust and orange and peach painting. Peacock and bird floral motif. Not much color has been added. Basically, we've kept the orange shade, peachish orange dominant. The pallu. $10,950. Hand woven pure tussar with blouse piece. See the painting once again, the shading, very pretty. Now number 4. Coming to zari border tussar, very heavy quality, and Ganeshji in the pallu. This part will be here. ₹8,990, product number 4. All these tussar hand paintings are 8,990. Even the mannequin is wearing something very artistic. This is also 8,990. It's an onion pink shade. 8,990 rupees, all over hand painted kalamkari in Tussar. It's a lovely piece of art, and the lower part will also have the lovely painting in it. Just see the bottom part of the sari with painted blouse piece. 8,990 rupees mannequin sari, and the one that I am showing a brown color, this too is same price, 8,990. This has been the flat rate for quite few episodes in kalamkari. And yes, similar hand painted blouse piece. By now you must be knowing the design in the blouse piece, all painted. Here is the sari. Black. This border is not in zari, this is in woven border, jute woven border in moss green. Moss and black. Very rich, new combination. Shading comes from the pleats. All you have to do is take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the numbers provided, not in both the numbers. Please don't message, inquire for the same product. The problem we face sometimes is you are making the booking in one number, and when you are making the payment, you are sending in both the numbers. Don't do that. Then in that case there will be lot of confusion, because the two numbers are in two different branches. So what will happen is they might sell out the sari and you might do the payment and the product is not there. So please inquire and make the payment details, give the payment details. It's only the same number where you are making the booking. This is another sari, beautiful in bottle green, moss green, rather very dark bottle green and moss with black. 8,990. See the lovely pallu with blouse piece, 8,990. Now 6A. Why it's A? Because it's almost same like what I'm wearing, except little bit of difference in the painting. The pallu, double peacock pallu. Lovely color combination. And then the pleats. Shading comes in rust. This is the blouse piece. All first come first serve basis, no orders in kalamkari. And number 2 is, 6B is similar one, little difference in the painting like I said. That was red predominant. This is coffee predominant. It's a snuff color, black and coffee. 6B. The prices are all same, 8,990. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata, 19 near the Citizen Park. And the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata, 19 near the Baliganj railway station. Sundays we are closed, the rest of the days 10 to 8 we are open, and we have our tailoring unit. So we can do the blouse stitching also, even suit stitchings. We have various kinds of kurtis and katha dupattas, blouses, designer blouses, which you can of course visit and you can have a look. We have the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where there are photo albums. You can just browse through them for more options of saris and suits and blouses. Menswear available in Cornfield Road branch only. So we have men's ethnic wear of kurtas and ethnic shirts. See this painting, it's in lavender, mauvish color Very uncommon combination with royal blue and peacock blue painting in the pallu, the body. All woven border. The blouse, back and the sleeves. It's a very pretty color, this one. Very closely I am showing the details of the product, so no still pictures will be available individually, but if you want to see them in still pictures, please check out our Facebook page. Everything will be uploaded there in the album Kalamkari. Regular uploads, notifications, those will be available once you subscribe the channel. This is another very uncommon temple geometric painting with flowers. Lovely piece. Uncommon color. Olive and bottle green. 8990. Each painting is different from each other. All single piece, because these are all up to the artist, the freehand painting, and it's all up to him how will, and I just tell him the colors and the rest it's all his credit. This is the blouse piece in bottle green. Beautiful sari. This is a lovely one. Number 9. Light silverish ash and green predominant. Lovely. These are very different color combinations. See, sky green and grey color, very soothing, and the quality of the tussar is very good. You can understand from the brightness of the painting. The blouse piece. Sorry. Number 10, mustard and red. All over painting and very fine nip painting till the hips, and then when the pleat comes it will have broad painting in the daman, and then the contrast painted blouse piece. Mustard and bright red, deep red color with a very beautiful shade of mustard. Lovely piece. And the one that's hanging, this is also a lovely piece in, see the colors, painting throughout. 8,990 rupees, 8990 throughout painting, and the blouse will be again in contrast red. All over painting again with the shading, see. Very pretty piece. Now I'll tell you something about my sari. This is also a fully painted sari in black and red. Very artistic piece. Pallu. See the painting. The pleats. And the blouse. Same 8,990 rupees. And the neck piece that I'm wearing, it's only 1,600. It doesn't have a earring. The neck, you can lengthen the neck piece, but it's 1,600. So now coming to few more kalamkaris. In tussar, this is black. Gorgeous piece. You can check out the painting, how lovely the painting is done with this leher. Very pretty painting. Can you see how this is going? This will be in your body part, the leheria part. And then comes the snuff color, greenish snuff color, mehendi green color with this black blouse, zari stripe black blouse. $8,990. Now coming to tie and dye kalamkari, hand painted kalahasti. First comes the blouse piece. The jal painting will be the blouse. Then coming the pallu. This is the pallu part. And the body is, you can understand, I will not drape the whole sari because it's more, by now you know how it looks. So this is just leher, tie and dye, original hand bandhej, tie and dye bandhej leheria with kalahasti painting in the pallu and blouse. This is the pallu. This is the blouse piece. 9,950 rupees price, always same price. So I'll show you the colors. All 9950. Pinkish red. The lowest part is the blouse piece. That's the jal blouse piece. So when you will wear it against this body color, because it has no border, that printed blouse in painting will look very, very gorgeous. Tussar 14. Black and rust. There goes the blouse in mustard, then the pallu, and then the tie and dye in rust and green. It's a copperish rust. Now you can understand how it will look. It's a beautiful shade of green and rust tie and dye. black, with mustard and maroon. Product number 59,950 rupees, black with pink tie and dye and mustard blouse piece. Now I think it will be clear to you. $16 red, so I'm just opening it this way. You can definitely understand how it looks. Let me tell you, this doesn't have a border. It's fully tie and dye body, and the blouse and the pallu will be in hand painting kalamkari. 9,950 rupees, pure tussar hand painting. Red and yellow, deep red. Now 17 shibori. Shibori tussar with kalamkari. With deep red, maroonish. These are actually earthy tones and all pure vegetable organic colors. And see the tie and dye in the sari. All shibori. Body is in shibori. $18 again shibori, pink and navy, all beautiful art hand painting done in tussar. Very innovative concept, and all the painting are done by these are washed in milk multiple times. This is a beautiful process. There are many processes which gives this complete look of the product. See the tie and dye. Number 19, black and red. Is it clear? I hope you can understand. See the shibori, this is the body part, the pallu and the blouse. With beautiful golden deer in the pallu. Shonar horing. Number 20, first come first serve basis. As I said, once the payment is received, we will ship it to you, and since each piece is single piece, please be quick in your transfers. We'll ship it as soon as possible. So this is a yellow and red, very bright. Very rich, just see. $21. Black and blue. This is also a beautiful piece. Please like, share and subscribe and leave a comment if you like the products. We do courier worldwide. International shipping charges depend on the weight and the destination. But for one product, it will be a bit expensive. If you add more and if your friends can club in, then the charges will, will be more than, it will be less, almost 50% discount you get on the shipping. That's how it is, because I'll tell you why. For one product, it is not 1 kg, but it's around 700-800 grams. So you save, you lose weight. You know that 300 grams are losing. But when you take a second product, that goes to the 1.5 kg slot. So then your additional charges are lesser than the first one that you're buying. So that's the way it's calculated. Initially, what most of the customers do is they pay for the sari and then they see more episodes, they add to the shipment, and then when it, subsequent maybe 4-5 saris, and then they take the shipping together. That way you save a lot of shipping charges. This is another lovely piece in red and yellow. 9,950 rupees, all same price. Tie and dye shibori with kalamkari. See? This is how it will look when you wear it with the same blouse, and very soft tussar. The last one, number 23 of this episode, it's a very new color, green and blue, pretty. The pallu and this color, it's very gorgeous. Though it's not much contrast, the green and the blue is almost similar, but it's looking very nice actually. From the front I can see it's looking really pretty. Same price, 9,950 rupees. You can see the shades here with all over painted blouse. And this is the sari. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching till the end. Bhalo thakben, shusto thakben. Namaskar.